Do you dream of a beautiful garden with tons of fresh, vine-ripened tomatoes, aromatic basil, and sweet, crunchy carrots? No weeds, easy to care for, and so prolific. Would you like to have this dream garden in your backyard? This is possible with the right garden education. All great gardens start at the kitchen table, and with a little planning and forethought, you can dramatically improve your garden season before it ever starts. Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, creator of the High Performance Garden Show, where we teach people how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden right in their own backyard. I'm here today to introduce to you our new High Performance Garden Classroom series. This series will teach you the techniques and planning that I do to make my summer gardens even better. I will share with you my professional secrets of how to get the most out of your space and your time. Every episode will include high-performance garden tips, techniques, or theories. We'll have an in-depth discussion about specific vegetables. We'll do question and answers with you, and we're going to go ahead and review a garden book or a product. This series is designed to take your garden to the next level by providing you with more high-performance garden education. So the first class starts November 14th, and the series will run for 20 weeks until March 27th. So there will be one new episode that we add every single week. So here's what you're going to learn. We're going to learn about winter gardening, learn how to grow under lights, what you can leave in the garden, and how soon you can get back outside. You'll also learn about cold frames, heat cables, and harvesting in a wintered over garden. The next topic is greenhouses, hoop houses, and high tunnels. Are you ready to start gardening at a new level? You want to grow more year-round? You'll learn what size, type, and orientation you need to successfully grow in a structure. You'll also figure out what your needs are so you can choose the right structure for your home. Okay, the next topic is how to plan a preservation garden. So we're going to learn how to figure out how much space you need and what to plant so you can freeze, can, root cellar, and dehydrate your food for year-round eating. So you'll learn about the different methods of preserving the different types of vegetables. And you're going to learn how many plants you will need to get the yields that you're looking for. Okay, the next topic is sizing your summer garden for your needs. So learn how to plan the garden so you get consistent yields all season long. Learn the varieties to grow, when to plant them to make sure you get what you want out of your garden. Okay, and the last topic is microbes, your gut and your health. So you'll learn the connection between the garden, the microbes, and how it affects your health, and why it is crucial for your health to grow your own food. So you're going to learn what's happening in our food supply and why the microbes and their diversity is important to your garden and your health. So, you ready to take your garden to the next level? There's always something new to learn to make your garden better. So give yourself the gift of an easier, more productive garden next season. So I want to invite you to join us for the new High Performance Garden Classroom series. This 20-week series is only $49. You will get over 15 hours of instructions, worksheets, journal pages, and more. So this is only $2.45 an episode. It's cheaper than a fancy cup of coffee. And this is a real bargain. So click the enroll button below to get started. I look forward to seeing you in the classroom. Your garden will never be the same after this class. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.